Welcome to Visual Basic 2010. Have a great day to all. This video we are going to know about the software of Visual Basic 2010. This is chapter 1 Visual Basic 2010 environment. This video is for basic learner in 2010, that is Visual Basic 2010. You all know VB means the expansion is Visual Basic. What did you understand from the word visual programming? It was very clear that the reaction will happen visually and immediately after doing the program. Nowadays, everyone know to operate a computer and mobiles. But really, most of the people don't know how the computer and mobile works. Whatever the button we touch in mobile or any other device, it works accordingly to the program. Best example is everyone know to attend the call in mobile, but they don't know how it was programmed. Earlier, now the programmer know the activity, how it was programmed, but in the present generation, everyone can interact with the computer to programming. Let us see how. This VB 2010 helps us to instruct the computer and to set up the program to do things for us. So, in this chapter, we have 5 concepts. In today's section, we are going to learn only 3 concepts. First is Visual Basic 2010. Second, launching VB 2010. That's how to open VB 2010. And third one is Visual Basic screen. Once we open VB, how the screen appears. Fourth and fifth concept we will see on next section. Fine. So in this VB 2010, VB, that's Visual Basic, is a simple programming language. So we all know that. You can have a question, what is programming? Yes, the perfect definition is creating a sequence of instruction to enable the computer to do its task is called programming. This is the perfect definition. We'll see one example for this. Suppose you are visiting a new place and like to have a proper destination, you can go to Google Map and also can hear the instruction by the map to reach your exact place. Yes? Yeah. So, in this, the same way, now we are going to create a simple computer program in VB 2010 software to reach your goal. So, for example, you can create your own app like fill the bio data. You can try. Next, we want to, that is Visual Basic program or event driven, which means event happen when you click on button or type text into a text box or when you select an item from the list, etc. Next, programs have to be written for each event separately. Okay, let us take a quick look on system requirement for Visual Basic 2010 Professional. The platform we can use or either Windows XP, Windows Vista 32 as well as 64-bit, Windows 7 32 64-bit, Windows Server, Windows 8 or Windows 10. That's not a problem. A license is a freeware and developer is a Microsoft. We all know, we have to know that. A supporting file is Microsoft.NET Framework 4.6. So now we want to know that creating computer program is like composing music. So we want to decide what instrument we are going to use and what type of music we are going to compose And what is the purpose of this music? Yes, so we can compare this music instrument with programming language. So first we need to know what is programming language, right? We know the language like English, Tamil, Hindi, Malayalam, etc. But the computer do not understand the language what we know. So computer know only the binary language, that's machine language, that's a binary language, zeros and ones. Okay, so we need something called programming language between us to understand clearly. So we go for some high level programming languages. Yes. Um, Example for high level programming language, what we are using is a Visual Basic, that's VB, then Python, PHP, Ruby, C, C++, Java, and many others. So now, opening VB 2010, Visual Basic 2010. How to open means just click on this start button. This is a start button, you all know. Just click on this. Then move to all program here. This one is all program. Once you select this all program, you can see the above folder Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. So in this, yes, you can see that, right? Visual Basic Studio 2010 one folder. Under that, you will be having Microsoft here. See this icon like this loop, Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. So once this process is over, so next thing you'll be having yes, Visual Basic. You can see the screen, right? Yes. So the loading screen will appear. The screen looks like this only. Yes, after this screen, yes, after this within a minute, you will get the Visual Basic 2000 screen. So in that, see, this is the screen you will get. Once you get, you want to select this new project. See, this new project will be here. You select this new project. Once you select, this is the new project option here. So once you click this option, you will get the screen like this. In the screen, you want to press Windows Form Application. This form we will call it as a window form application option. So in this, you want to click this option and you want to press this OK. Yes. After this OK, you will get the screen like this, Visual Basic 2010 environment screen. You can see this, right? So at the top of the screen, menu bar, see here menu bar, this file, edit, view, project, etc. is there right at the top. So this is the menu bar. So left side is a toolbox. This whole thing we will call it as a toolbox. And here at the center, you'll be having form window. So in this only we are going to design. So this is a form window, and right side top, you'll be having this one, Solution Explorer. This one is the Solution Explorer, and bottom, you'll be having Properties window. Yes, I hope you're clear with this environment screen. So these are the basic in Visual Basic 2010 environment screen. We'll see in detail in section 2 Visual Basic. I hope the concept is very clear. We come to end of this section. We will meet on next section Visual Basic 2010. Thank you. Bye-bye.